I'm going to
Mama.
complete this now. Okay,
Yes,
para
Your
marinig
Honor.
ng lahat.
Opo.
The so-called EJK victims under President Duterte a massive hoax.
Okay.
Sa akin, mali. I have documents to show. To show.
Yes, Your Honor,
All
that
right,
is
now
your
you
truth,
said.
and I also have my truth.
Please.
Doon po sa mga nauna niyo pong tanong, kung saan, ang sabi ko nga po ay hoax. Ang pinagbabasehan ko po doon ay yung mga naglalabasan ngayon na panibagong impormasyon, kita naman po ito sa social media, ano po, kung saan yung mga napabilang na EJK, yung mga nagpakita ng picture ng mga anak nila na namatay daw sa EJK, actually ay hindi po connected sa EJK. At yung iba po ay buhay na buhay naman po. That's why, ang sabi ko nga ay hoax dahil yung mga pinakita ng mga nagrarally at pinapakita nila na namatay sa EJK ay hindi naman po patay.
Mr. Chair, nag-a-attend ba kayo ng Quadcom hearing? Mr. Chair? Nag-a-attend ba kayo ng Quadcom hearing? Yung mga biktima ng EJK ay nandoon at nagkaroon pa sila ng prayer rally, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, ang hirap nun, makakabalita ka ng anuman, tapos you're going to put up an opinion, and you want to let the people believe it's the truth.
Your Honor, if I'm not mistaken, nasa newspaper na rin po yan.
Sandali
But of
sandali
course,
po.
nauna,
Sandali. Nasa newspaper. Pero ang tinatanong ko po, anong source ng newspaper? Is it an official document or findings of the Human Rights Commission?
I have
Absolutely, ma'am.
Yes,
Madam,
Your Honor.
absolutely not. Because during our hearing, the Quadcom, all those victims, yung mga families na nandun, was confirmed by Human Rights Commission.
Okay, Your Honor.
In fact, we have all the list.
My goodness, if you would like to be a resource person here in this committee, kinakailangan meron kang basis. Meron kang tunay na basis. Meron kang dokumento na masasabi. Sapagkat, Luka, ang Commission on Human Rights, for example, nag-imbestiga ng EJK at maraming nakita. Kami, in my Committee of Human Rights, marami kaming nakita. Oo. Samantalang ikaw, sinasabi mo, massive hoax ito. Wag naman, Mr. Chair. Gusto kong maniwala sa statement mo kanina. Pero ngayon, itong statement na ito, hindi na maganda eh.
Tinatanong po kita, kung may dokumento ka bang hawak, wala.
Tulad po ng sagot ko kanina,
Eh,
Your
sandali,
Honor.
you answer my question, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, I'm trying to answer, Your Honor.
Sandali po.
Apo.
Yes or no? Do you have the document? Under oath?
Sir, like I said,
Sandali, yes or no? Remember, I am just asking you if you have the document or not, under oath.
of the family who
Yeah.
reported?
Yeah.
None, sir.
Oh, none.
It's
Oh.
on the, like I said, it's a...
So none. You don't have.
Okay, sir. Next time po,
What's
kukuha
next
po muna-
time?
next time po, bago po tayo magsulat ng mga ganon, kailangan kumuha po muna tayo ng mga dokumento under oath